RouteStar has a built-in CRM. You can also track leads. A lead to RouteStar is a non-QuickBooks customer. So you can enter leads and you can enter quotes in the field on the mobile and on the desktop. Once you are awarded the quote, you can convert that lead into a QuickBooks customer with the press of one button. So once I go under leads and quotes, I can put a lead in, I can see my lead list, I can enter a quote and go to quotes list. Under quotes list, this is a very powerful tool because there's a lot of features inside of a quote that are not found in QuickBooks. You can set up stages of quotes. All these widgets can be customized by going to menu. So under menu, I can set up my stages. Maybe you just have an initial visit, preparing of a quote, a follow-up on the quote, etc. You can customize that. You can also customize statuses. Did you win the quote? Did you lose the quote? Is it pending? Whatever. To drill down on a quote, just click on the quote number. So under quote details, you can assign a value to the quote. If you're a reoccurring style business and you calculate the value of a contract to be 12-month residual, for instance, you can put that value in there and then of course run reports against that value. Other things you can do is assign a case type. It's kind of like a classification of quote. You can put the stage and the status in there. Other things you can do on line items for quotes is you can assign a QuickBooks class to the quote and you can flag which ones are awarded. The awarded items, once you win the quote, will automatically load into this customer's customer pricing, so you don't have to re-enter any data or worry about transposition of numbers. Other things you can do under quote detail is you can attach attachments. Maybe you have equipment location diagrams or equipment loan agreements or pictures of the layout of, say, a break room or where you're going to place equipment. Whatever it may be, you can attach those on the mobile, plus you can drag and drop them on the desktop and associate it with this quote. You can put equipment listed at the location if you know it ahead of time, whether it's customer equipment or equipment you're setting into that location. If there are tasks associated with this quote for the salesperson to say follow up on this quote, you can see complete task history and what tasks are associated with this quote. Then once you win a quote, you have steps after winning the quote. Very easy to do. Add to QuickBooks will take this lead and put them right into QuickBooks for you. You can figure out the best route to put them in based on proximity to your other customers. You can add line items to the customer pricing. You can notify the driver, whether it be text or email, that he has a new stop. And of course, you can create a follow-up task for possibly the salesperson or even a task to set the equipment if you're installing equipment. You also can have unlimited custom forms. This is very, very powerful because while on site, you may want to have a survey of current equipment, the state of the current equipment, pictures, etc., associated with this quote, so that if you have to fix something before you take on the new customer, then it's all documented on that quote. For more information, please contact our sales department and they'd be happy to do a further demo for you.